enti Afia Vimlady ene Bonohene bafo wa ene Ghana fo ne bi abe clash Sammy Gyamfi no a ensem obeka kire Afenyo Markin honorable minority leader concerning laws wa Bank of Ghana ameki IMF ebe kan wasem ayese ohwemu a o breaking down ese gold board eka ho bi Afenyo Markin ko kan ya Sammy Gyamfi won tia se sade ntina Afenyo Markin ko ka se because of gold board no Bank of Ghana aboka ne wa betwa na no I say we joke I small catch Afenyo Markin there enye fine na no ana Afia Vimlady ene Bonohene bafo wa almost no abe class Sammy Gyamfi o ma begi kebi pa ere a kire no bra mo hanom as mo host Penyah de sie ere ka was best say dey kwan so obe me subscribe button so that ma obe turn notification on for latest updates na be kire wa adwe de ma me e comment section hodoma oba so anu a share amanu aso anya bi ahwe na me kan for ARR0GANCE limited ene de ama ade bi afa plumbing hu bia de omu eye bi the answer obe phone number no wa free wo mo omu ebo solar panel account omu say install power plant ye tu ensuo e de kan ho ebo tan ko bedwa akotu nsuo de ama aquarium so desert ye betu amonya nsuo yesa ye swimming pool kama pa yese ade bi afa engineer hu bia de emfa nsa omu number na ene da ase yonom no fa na free no ntwetwe nkomo na omebo a da kwans omu mbo e for pa Ghana baby afre bia no obeba bedu dwumadie no e de ama now let's go to the story obeka ye wa hayi ana IMF for ade romo report e baaye ana omu item 5 no item number 5 na say eyeka na eka da honom no eye DGPP eka domestic gold purchasing program a Ghana ye run no yaboka $1.7 billion Bank of Ghana no a free 2002 urban eye adwi say now on one kasa be kwa adwaman so akoto to gold ni because on so hia gold ni bi it obekwa adwaman so akoto gold ni bi so that ye de bi ebe wura ye forest market honom ene baako near the biso ya keep be in our reserves eno mienu na fe dia to se mensa no eba se ye koto oil ewa adwaman so aba ye koto oil ewa amano ne aba ye the gold ni ene beko ye mfa sika enko ene se wo de sa de buy from 2025 2022 there ya run na 2022 loss na emeki ya shed ya moka 2022 2023 ene eba okaka kra bi na 24 se eba okaka kra bi omomudo mu ade ba ye no ana omu run ne no omu amoka because omni na institution na total gold na Edema Bank of Ghana PMMC Precious Minerals Marketing Company omu that nya no to gold that but na Bank of Ghana emphasize institution no ye ni institution obu to gold ebo anu go homa Ghana omu no mu to anu go turn straight but Bank of Ghana yes na ye na adwen say obeto gold aton no nso ekipu bi no or the omu dwede nyina share PMMC ensa as omu na enrane do her losses so make it omu we 2022 2023 2024 ena eguso no always can analyze nkuma bi and ya to about 2025 2024 ana in this area this when also do there be me dia menya ne sa new king new law me de institution friend gold board eba na that gold board no ade bi a Ghana ha e for gold hu bi ade omu ne beye eti now no gold wa Bank of Ghana etoto through PMMC no ye beje that 2 million free PMMC sem e de ama gold board eti anything gold say we are saying gold looking for its authenticity and its monetary value the weight a gold but any best they are the assayer just anything gold be there open so to gold licenses omu de be mount anything gold board and a ebedi say adwumade no na say akoba say now no say na a PMMC and a to gold no in place of Bank of Ghana there cause na Bank of Ghana finance gold finance PMMC no ma to gold in area bre no Dr. Ernest Addison Pencil and you run that institution you run that scheme no and now you the gold board aba you good PMMC and the gold board aba it now is a Bank of Ghana bezo to gold wa obe channel is scan through gold board na gold board mom na ko to gold no adwaman so e dey Bank of Ghana what you answer na say yes eti Bank of Ghana starts only gold board ene edidwa ema omo start and o na e ko fine pa because the Oko Gold Board omo official website here there were so many posts here omo ankasa kura make here this is from Gold Board website 7th March 2025 omo twa say news Gold Board is the economic game changer Ghana needs Dr. Atufos called that time no na say see na ho den na start e cost against the dollar omo ka say we Gold Board na dey aba no ana ema gold no you see the nya ho den on many occasions Gold Board received credit. They took credit for sikana yesidi na benya ahoden against dollar no. Ya mfan monyam na ma Bank of Ghana because in actual sense I was like a Bank of Ghana. Una woda Ghana sikasem nyan ko no sin kede ni monyam ne ma no. But yeah the my gold board with a sense that now a Bank of Ghana and L2 to gold into a forest market through gold board. Bank of Ghana discard my gold board. That gold board I to gold in the aba near export TB near keep people of Ghana hano. I don't able home there. Young farmer gold board. It no Bank of Ghana cry in any made and nyam gold board that time. And the buyer so you're making ya export $8 billion worth of gold. Near ya bought gold board abaso ato force in elbow gold board abaso even ato force as finance minister crown. Citizens say no citizen nyam hode no. Wanyan munyam oyinani me de no nyam ma gold board because say gold board mona mu dina o man nachi ye the gold and the support e cedi no ana gold no say ye the support e gold board mona mo ye mastermind behind it it's no nyam go mo a mona ye mfama mo. This is the case if 2025 in fact gold board agent munyam pa Emma gold board and kasa so bo mo home run because 10th December 2025 no how gold board's gold purchasing drive helped BOG mobilize $10 billion for Ghana's stability. Gold board most as in I say. But abusia akoba say IMF ed report eba no that gold purchasing program here Sammy Gyamfi can was 10th December 2025 you know. And that same domestic gold purchasing program na Abo Bank of Ghana ka 2025 $1.7 billion. IMF are more gold board because IMF the a Bank of Ghana and at the end of the day no mona modem financial statement call IMF no mono so e dey draft omo report e dey abramo mona mo submit mu data mo fact any figures e dey akọ e the Bank of Ghana and aboka no but over Ghana had a any mu say Bank of Ghana na aboka through DGPP there domestic gold purchasing program there yate but a Bank of Ghana no all this Kanema gold board now gold board na mum na kwa dwa so go to gold e say me wo bibi me mo sika be say be go to funds e betonton ba me be say me kwa amana na koto ana me ni mayi manim this kind mo be say the chere di sika we na fa di edwa na me e ka ne ba me no man ni nim say me no man sika o me ho no mo ba wo nam this kind man no wo na me hold responsible enti o man sika the Bank of Ghana da no wo na nim say wo na to gold ba wo se wo ntimi ana wakofa gold ba say gold ba na go to gold ni mrewo a Kaba, gold board stand no chance say you are not part. No, you are part of it. You are part of the situation. A Kaba, when I can fuck at the money. A Bank of Ghana, but or small gold board. Why the emblem? Both Bank of Ghana and gold board. This is the conversation. Sammy Gyamfi tin sem na se. O bezo che say ndie enye no onye the fault. But enumunyam ne bad 25 no be je enumunyam no. E say na gold board buy na Ghana sika sem ni gina. Gold board na eboa through the gold purchasing drive now or no can and 10th December 2025 no no na aboa amaga na raise $10 billion revenue to stabilize the city but e buy say Gyamfi your lie amenwa because of IMF reporting buy no na MP for ni gina so e dey gold board say gold board am dey buy there you can say amoa emfa so bi ama because MP for kwa no mo domestic gold purchasing program kwa no o check loss make it 2022 loss make it 2023 loss make it 2024 na Kenya bonkwa na omu losses was just about 7 billion Ghana cedis. Losses o make here for the 3 years omu no mu dey in buy o make loss of about 7 billion Ghana cedis. But Sammy Gyamfi gold board now mo say mo betima aboa Ghana no buy ya make loss the first time. Ya make loss 22 billion Ghana cedis. Cedis kano 203 ani achire. But Sammy Gyamfi say one day my yan kan no hu bi no nka ho. E Bank of Ghana making loss enye gold board. You see now. And when you bad, that's some Gyamfi. He bad there, my mo dini. And some Gyamfi ebuafu. Afia Markin come say no, I press come be the Afenyo Markin attempt. Afia Markin is a joke of a minority leader. Just say, "Wake can send be na achire no." Afia Markin can say say duru ho a. The day of accountability duru a. Obehu be condition. And no cry no, some Gyamfi say gina be condition can in same be the Afia Markin say enya fine, enya kasapa. You know, some Gyamfi happens to be someone I say, "Oh my Mohammed darling boy, someone say that bad mindset to be some the big mindset that bad mindset be on the trimu untouchable mindset to be Mohammed darling boy is how say akani ho from opposition to power akani trimu to me can have to be your position insult sane baseless accusations sir there be power 2022 Bank of Ghana ebo ka 60 billion cedis yenya Sammy Gyamfi no nko Bank of Ghana governor enwe Dr. Ernest Ades yenya no nko chinwe omu ye demonstration October 2023 ewo Ghana heye ese yenyi Bank of Ghana governor na di wasan wabon wonum adwuma
obi so NDC for kra mo pekasa emfa me ho efa ho because e kana ba beto no why na betua eno na yewura to force ya kire mu no ye ene ye betua this aban ne so mo de tuo bi beba ye ba betua sika se Bank of Ghana agu nti ye ntuatua to ne ye ngege ne ye mfa nkoso o masen na why na di sika na ama Bank of Ghana agu no
ba na no aboka wabua because say ye kan no obua ye ma Bank of Ghana e raise $10 billion wa nkasa wo je no nyam no twira to website so na now say kaba ada na won posi say wabua ama Bank of Ghana sa aboka na de wubiane Sammy Gyamfi na wubiane because say wo bua ma siri no because of gold until wo bua ma siri benya ahoden na ye bo waba so de a say wo bua ema Bank of Ghana etimi raise ka through gold $10 billion revenue ema ye bo waba so de a then now no wabua ama Bank of Ghana aboka ene da wunyi ntumi ene wusi ye nyu din film sesai ye ngwase afo ana hu ye nyina se nyina these food soldiers sesai ene yan bad ya woje but bibi bad ya ye nyu film ene nya wa ye Bank of Ghana sesai ema we so be di Afenyo Markin tebele na comedian so a Afia Vimlady ene Bonohene ba afo awu amo we ni nsem ka tese Sammy Gyamfi
sir meet the press conference when okoye no hu ni mfa so Sammy Gyamfi be serious we are kuma our mine and they were mine ejapadia sounds as a hweso. And let me tell you, and you know kuni Afenyo Markin. I don't hear me. I know unko. Question is you're making losses and there be finito. But don't come out and say, sir, ECG. Afenyo no your board chair. Board chair now you know losses about ho. Obi a board chair we're expanding officer. Board chair ni see you pay. Enter what ye and coho and what through. O say and your gold board and I'm making losses no. Menunia some but I dine a BOG Bank of Ghana and making losses no. And you want to encounter Ghana for? Huh? Who can now who shaki? There's Sammy Gyamfi that I know. Wa kasako kraba won shaki Won shaki. But who can now wanim udimina extra centrona udi extra Ghana for? Who making losses are? Me making losses. Okay. Ebia 2025. Yaji sika say free BOG. Yeto God on to say on to do na yeto ya no yenyamfaso say ye making losses say and I am making losses. Na BOG ma sika say koto gold. Na wo koto gold no. Na gold na wo koto no emfaso ama ho wo de ka na abre Ghana. Na be ka kire Ghana for say once IMF report no I stati say eye gold board and aboka eye BOG and aboka ntino ye anyintum ye jimi fonti anyintum
oh the whole bad the whole brutal
BOG na isi wa na boka BOG no esi wa na boka na bra wo say wo hia odi hwanwan ko parliament o mayim na so be fie o mo represent yen
oh the whole bad the whole
yen ya to abade am o mo some represent yen so you go there. Now what tray losses na buy no 22 billion no ebia emfiri ye de sika BOG de ma yen omo ma sika say quotations eba sika mo de ma yen no who gold ons dudu a de toy ne ye toy no ye nya say ye de ato ha ye nya ni say finito papa obi anu ni asem by kasa bebrebe ne nsam bebrebe no de na ye koya na say ye buy
oh the whole bad the whole brutal
what admit it tio what admit say losses by don't one can gold board but what ye but what admit say losses by and to losses by losses no na free he what be kyeremu and what admit we no na nka so nya abotre kyerem say Yadi amoka o. Sika eji free BOG. Yadi koto gold no. Gold ne koto eto ne pepepe. Enti ka ba mu misa BOG.
Ne ka na da ho no.
But you don't say once any gold board and I am a forecast of Mabo Cantino and Yamumo any free, but a free.
Ne ka na da ho no.
That means that between gold board, BOG, finance ministry, and some back out number catch the Ghana for baby a candy free and in some Hunomudi yas 22 billion no cano edaho. Yantia bra Sammy Gyamfi admit to say losses aba.
To be giving 133 billion Ghana cedis in a year, cash, bank transfer money, to buy gold in the market and not burn 1 cedi of that. It's easy to be giving 133 billion Ghana cedis in a year, cash, bank transfer money, to buy gold in the market and not burn 1 cedi of that.
Jai, Samhuno. And Samhuno, what to go about what would Jai. Sir, your mount 133 billion. Now, why the man 133 billion? A beam free. Fasika Kojisika so yaboka. Fasika Kojisika and Usaboka. I mean, I catch him say, Uton Coco, now so Coco na me toy no, me ton no maboka, wait before. Obi ton Coco, I'm telling you today. No, the country say, me ton Coco, maboka, Coco no way, what to ye, Usika way, was a maboka, wait Jimmy for. I am morning in Zone dear Coco.
Say, I am out the band, been in Pensa.
And yes, Sika, now what they quote gold no. And to quantify gold no, don't war. Now for this kind of triaka, no one gold no. Krate, your mocha was adi we home.
107.3.
To come out and say, why your beman is 133 billion. Na sabe, sikani be sitting in them free mu.
What the band been in Pensa.
Akokraba, Same, your mommy, 133 billion. 133 billion, no. Yes, some fanko your business. Business in your damn business. Business, and they say, what the first sikano call na kwaji gold bra. God no, ya the two are using way, and you who value. And tis sign na me the gold no. Now why say, say gold no bra wo kotono, TME pa, bra wo koto gold no, ne be a gold no boa was soro, utoye ya wo kotono, gold no boa akosura, was you mataboka.
You can't we also be reset your mind.
And Tremu saw the better Ghana for no. And he catches Sammy Gyamfi says, and Tremu way and Tasumu, and Tasumu, and Tasumu, and one chain. And this is what power. And to bet me yasa free holidays, you know. One enjoy.
The elephant
one question
never forgets.
But one day,
The elephant.
Obebu Hua Konta.
The elephant.
One
never
day.
forgets.
Obebu Hua Konta. I'm telling you. Now who the papa and one man cost to say, and God board in tea, and I sit in appreciate it, God board in tea, and any stable economy, God board in tea, and any forest reserve. But the time the about in China was in free BOG.
Now, Sammy Gyamfi is admitting, say, there has been losses. What was no? All the propaganda, all the PR, all the shenanigans, Sammy Gyamfi government near idea now, or more admitted said there are losses. So why was all the propaganda? I don't know PR. It is Sammy Gyamfi call merry go round. I was afraid you were too. What call merry go round there? Afraid you also know I just gold board no making losses. Consume a boy here. It really say I see company making losses are any crime. See I see company making losses are any crime. Some a bank for cry a year bank. So move close your books for the day. They make losses. And bank biakra they make accommodation for losses because I said the wakoto a mono. What the more banks bear 6 kujaswa. O shadow olonka pono na olonka ba ko ashoti sa na humanity into company bia obe make the problem that comes with the loss in the case of to say Sammy Gyamfi it is when the losses near edoso that is when it's a problem. It's an alarming because I know any normal loss but you make way from 1 - 1 losses. It is normal. It comes with the But when the losses become extreme, when the losses become a big loss, that is when it's a problem. It's in a gold board for the year problem. And a gold board, yeah, NDC phone gold board, they Ghana for in a gold board. So one on all they cast a more beyond commenting about gold board because it's an ignorant mouth, it's an ignorant lips, and the Lord does not lie in your ignorant lips, and the Lord does not lie in your ignorant mouth. Because Ghana is the same taxpayers' money, and found your free Kumasi, and found your free Accra, your free Savulugu, Ghana as a whole, your taxpayers' money, and yet they build the Bank of Ghana. And Bank of Ghana is answerable to the people of Ghana. Forget Yawano. So one goes here, now, who peso bestia, the now peso with your propaganda, now by me, I'll ignore you. Because this is not about propaganda, this is about education. We need to give people media for the no. And that is why I am NDC by media for criticizing. We are the critics of every government. Now then you have Nanado, Missing Nanado, Bessin Nanado, a jam your name in Casa. Bessin, on my penny is excellence in Nanado, don't go for former president. On name in fine. Because I criticize him profusely. Why does NDC feel a sense of entitlement? This is the problem I have. Sense of entitlement. Say, yeah, the NDC about Mobian criticizing. It's journalists for cry a good for the time no mubuta critical question. MFA, we are fan on your man then gold hub, petroleum hub, Yamani PRO, corporate affairs manager, uncle. No more by no mere propaganda. No. Paposi, near fan of Bank of Ghana, or more no PR no. Why near fan of Miami Bremonakwa, Atofos and Fan, Minister of Finance. Into journalists who used to ask critical questions. This is part of the culture of silence. No? Culture of silence now NDC for embarking on. And mind you, don't come and tell me any cock and bull comments. Say if you're the one complaining about culture of silence, UTV critical issues make Kufuado time. You see, Kufuado more your culture of silence. I said it. Don't come in. You see, you cannot use anything against me for equalization purposes. And fact, you can be culture of silence. And 1 year san can it's Munya study NDC. Enti Sammy Gyamfi say one kasa wo agia to mu say there have been losses. The answer to the people of Ghana how the losses came about and whether the losses are justified or not. A mandate we need to know. It is our right as citizens of Ghana to know. Yes, you better file it RTR, Right to Information Act. You better file it. Say the NDC propaganda. Say galamse no crab background. NDC 1% kofo be hun say nsuo na ni te and I say ni te. It joy FM for or letter the command. Ghana Water Force. You see what the stability of the water is. Ghana Water Force. They say yam farm. Can you imagine? The same government or accuse you Kufuado so your culture of silence. That government now is vimshiously preventing media people from getting information. The same government vimshiously is preventing the media from getting information. Into why NDC I told you more. This is where so when NDC says that they want to fight Galamsey, they are not fighting Galamsey. Because in this, all person fighting Galamsey, tax components, small scale miners, or want to go name your number to a gold border. So you tax 1% my government. What year for do you want to stop Galamsey? That's some person stop Galamsey, no. So no one that said this by a Galamsey now said to astronomical level. A cost more. Because you don't want to stop the Galamsey. For tax kakra to so na no ponye disincentive say mo amuko tunu kra say the NDC and see NDC angasa the campaign so ba obe regularize go Galamsey no and nobody is lying about it. He said NDC to me stop Galamsey no they are not lying. They did not lie. They said that omo di regularize. In fact omo cry ye jelly because of Galamsey and they don't release them. They said it, which is why I am one person omo this chama to be crakotum. That's another thing. Come my catch say chama won't be the me be defended any day anytime. But I'm saying say NDC and Kasa Kraka so more dem dada because of Galamsey because they will release them and they will overturn their conviction and they buy omo review. It will talk gold nephew for her. Nasa also to gold nasa tax 1% nepe. Youth employment and they do 30%. Between NDC for Beba 2024, you need 2026 year youth unemployment increasing by 30%. Increasing up to 30% according to IMF no World Bank now. And how the 1% in a crowd and how the be creative jobs craft for boys. Debbie. Abaya Yanisa. And this is the law. So Aban cannot propaganda this loss away.
Ubi to chere wa dia mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Akra.